Astronomers may have spotted the ghost galaxy that hit the Milky Way long ago, as Science News reports. The Milky Way survived a galactic hit and run millions of years ago, and astronomers may have finally found the culprit. Antlia 2, the ghost of a galaxy, is so faint it was just discovered last year. The galaxy's position is consistent with a collision with the Milky Way hundreds of millions of years ago, according to new research. It's really close to the Milky Way and absolutely enormous, about the size of the Large Magellanic Cloud, but 10,000 times fainter. With it being so incredibly faint and hidden from view by the galactic disk, it managed to evade detection. Antlia 2 was a bit of a surprise when it showed up in a second Gaia mission data release last year. That data release also showed in greater detail ripples in the Milky Way's disk. But astronomers had known about the perturbations in that region of the disk for several years by that point, even if the data wasn't as clear as that provided by Gaia. Using the new Gaia data, the team calculated Antlia 2's past trajectory and ran a series of simulations. These produced not just the dwarf galaxy's current position, but the ripples in the Milky Way's disk by way of a collision less than 1 billion years ago. Previously, a different team of researchers had attributed these perturbations to an interaction with the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, another of the Milky Way's satellites. The team also ran simulations of this scenario and found that the Sagittarius galaxy's gravity probably isn't strong enough to produce the effects observed by Gaia. Thus, the researchers wrote in their paper, quote, "We argue that Antlia 2 is the likely driver of the observed large perturbations in the outer gas disk of the galaxy," end quote. Antlia is a constellation in the southern sky. Its name means pump, and it specifically represents an air pump. Antlia is bordered by Hydra the sea snake, Pyxis the compass, Vela the sails, and Centaurus the centaur. This group of constellations is prominent in the southern sky in late winter and spring. For the entire article, please see the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.